English?
Uh-huh. The Baba is old. I cannot. Ano to? Santa Ana? Seafood City, Santa Ana?
Anaheim.
Anaheim. Okay. We are now in Anaheim, newly opened Seafood City Supermarket, Anaheim, California. Wow. Ba't lang mo masyadong tao? Oh, may. Oh, yan. Isa pa itong gurang na ito. Sana. Up! Aray!
Yeah, your jacket? It's gonna be cold inside.
Aray!
I need my jacket.
Please.
Let's go and see what's inside. They might have some puto there. Puto. Wow. Baka mga. I will make. Slow down lang. Okay. This is Church. May simbahan dito. Yan, no? Let's go. May look at that Euclid. Did you remember that? Mami, sabi ko. Yeah. 5.
And you could go all the way.
And then 5 too, huh?
Yeah, so that's why there's, yeah.
May disconnected. Yeah.
Now you know, yeah. If you go, yeah, Euclid cuts across
See?
Anaheim and Fullerton. So like say you just got off on. And
This is connected to 5. Okay, let's see the
So this one is still Fullerton?
no,
Anaheim.
You go to Euclid and you go that way, then you'll go to Fullerton.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yung 5 where? On this side? Yeah.
I think yeah.
5 na yan, yeah. Highway na yan, no? Wow. Look
I'm
at
not
that.
sure actually where the freeway is from
Uh-huh.
here, but yeah, Euclid goes across. So
Saan ang entrance nila, oh? What, they close? Oh, I thought it was closed. No, Nick left his phone. Wow, ito pala ang ano. This is Santa Ana Seafood City. We are now entering Santa Ana Seafood City. Wow. May pandesal din, may ano, bumili ka ng pandesal na. You buy pandesal na, oh. May gutom ka na? Oo, yeah.
parang kaldero.
Yeah. May salmon. Wow. Saging na saba. Yan. Parang pareho sa atin, no? The same. Wow. This is your first time here, huh?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, okay. Wow. Ang ganda, oh. Yan, oh. Live, laugh, and love. But,
Can I do it?
slow down. I mean, take
Oh yeah, but I'm saying you're saying we have a yeah.
Look at the crab. Look at the crispy crab right there. Right there. Crab right in there. Nice crab, little crab. You gotta move it slow on them.
Yeah, slow.
Ollie, you gotta move it slow.
Slow, yeah. So you have to learn because, yan, ganyan. Because I will upload that you see that like
Oh, I like this. Look. Anna, look. It's a coconut.
May Carabao.
Could I see?
May Carabao, may, oh.
Ollie. Ollie, look.
Carabao.
What's that thing?
It's a coconut there.
Wow, maganda yan. Nasa native.
No, that's beautiful.
Oops, pick it up.
Yeah.
And you know,
It's beautiful.
your grandma has they own one Carabao like that in the
When
Philippines.
grandma was growing up, she had some of these.
Slow down, slow down.
Yeah, you're going way
Ah,
too
good.
fast.
Yeah, Philippines.
Ooh.
But why is it small? Why is it
Slow down, huh?
Is that Fiona? Mini.
Adali, I have one of these too. The scraps. You come here. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, let me hold this now. Okay. Yeah. Maybe biling kami? Pamaypay, oh. See, no need to go back to the Philippines. We have everything here. No, yeah. Oh. Banana 89. Wala palang bibilhin. Gusto mo yan?
Di ba may ganito tayo?
May isa lang yan.
Oo, may ganito akong isang set.
Isang set. Galing, ha? What else that you want to buy? Papaya, buko, and then they have corn, kamatis, saging. Wow, they have everything. This is one of the largest seafood city in Santa Ana. Santa Ana, California. Nick, Santa Ana to, no? Santa Ana, California? Nick, are we Anaheim o? Anaheim, California. Wow. Yeah, no? Buy candy.
Can you read this?
Yeah, buy.
What does it say?
Ito, this one here is chung kang pang chong chang chong. Ano, may madami din dito, may, no? Sariwa, ano? Yan, talong, oh. Paano yung butchoy nila? If you want, we can buy it para